Honorable Secretary Shri Arun Kumar Ji Jain. The scourging heat during summer has always posed a significant challenge in conducting assemblies and other events in the open ground of S.D. Jain Higher Secondary School. However, your thoughtful initiative of installing a gigantic fan on the ceiling of the ground shed has brought immense relief and comfort to students, teachers, and dignitaries alike during school functions and gatherings. In the past, it was often observed that students would faint and teachers would experience discomfort due to the intense heat. With this thoughtful installation, the environment has become far more conducive to hosting events and assemblies without hindrance. We, the teachers, students, and staff, wholeheartedly and gratefully acknowledge your vision, generosity, and commitment to enhancing the well-being of everyone in the school community. Once again, we extend our sincere gratitude to you for addressing this essential need with such care and foresight. Thank you.